Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BABA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, BABA's trying to hang in there, but it continues to look weaker and weaker. I will give it some credit, though, where credit's due. I've talked about this analysis or talked about this chart in a couple of the past videos. And that level there at 264.50 was broken. If I'm being honest, I thought the break of that would at least send it down to that green line right there. So today, that didn't quite happen. I mean, the price is just hovering right around that area. But yeah, it's still overall continuing to trend downwards. I'm going to get rid of that line there just to try to keep things as clean as possible moving forward. But what I'm very curious about now is this trend line here has basically become a downsloping trend line right there. And the question just becomes, is this turning into some sort of descending triangle where, yeah, the price may come down, or excuse me, come back up there, but then come back down and then go back up there and come back down. And eventually, is that area of support ultimately going to hold up, or are we looking at some sort of break to the downside of that coming, coming to a theater near you? And that level is down there and valued at 261.25. Now, to be fair, maybe the bulls all of a sudden wake up and show up on Friday and then just rip to the upside and then just break up through that resistance trend line. That's always a possibility. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But like I said, as far as just looking at the overall context of things, the gap down from a few days ago, and now the price is putting in these lower highs. It's not guaranteed, but I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price go down there and revisit 261.25 and potentially even break down below it. But the moral of the story here is just really trying to apply the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. Moving forward into Friday, I see two main levels. Again, that first key level to watch, that resistance trend line. The other level to watch, that level of support down there at 261.25. So let's see how BABA decides to close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.